Yo traders, what's good? Welcome to the channel. Sorry I've been a little bit quiet. Yeah, I didn't trade yesterday, but today is Tuesday the 28th of January, so yeah, like 17 minutes before the New York Open for me. And I'm looking at US30 today because if I go to NASDAQ, it's looking really choppy compared to US30 today. It just looks worse. Like, you know, when you just look at a chart, it just looks worse. But they both ain't looking the best, I'm not gonna lie. So every day I just look at what it's kind of doing right now in the moment. So for me, you know, it's in some sort of like bearish channel, and it's just really consolidating. So it's kind of resisting from up there. And this is like the most recent area of support and resistance in my eyes. And as it stands, my breakout lines are gonna go there and there to be, put it there. So if we break to the upside, then I'm gonna look for previous structure. Yeah, say about there. So that'll be my first target. My second target will probably be the wicks up there, and yeah, underneath there. So right now as it stands, this is what I'm looking at. So even though I got my support zone there, because price is above it, and this is a clear place where price been reacting from, then it don't mean, you know, I'm expecting it to come down and bounce from it, but that is a possibility. So if it comes down now and it does start giving me bullish momentum and pushing to the upside, is because I know that we're at this sort of area. So I don't let these areas throw me off. Like, I'll sell straight through this area because I know how volatile the pairs get at New York Open. I say New York Open, I think it's the Stock Exchange Open. But yeah, it's when the price booms for me at 230, price can go straight through there, or I can take into mind that it can bounce from there and then target the upside, right? Same way though, it could get there and bounce down. So I just keep it in mind, really. All right, so these are my take profits. Take profit 1, take profit 2 if it breaks to the upside. Just because of previous structure on the 1 hour time frame, go across. These ones make the most sense. And my take profits for the downside would just be the most previous structure that I can see on a 5-minute time frame. Alright, cool. So letting people know, don't get tricked out on these pre-breaks because they happen. So see what happens. Look, I'm used to these little fake outs pre-New York Open. I keep saying pre-New York Open. I need to figure it out if it's a pre-stock open, whatever the fuck. Go in with 5 to begin with. Alright, not really pushing with any power. You need to see that power. Not a lot of volume. Gotta be patient. It gets like that sometimes on the open. It gets a bit indecisive before it booms. I know there's news coming up as well in 30 minutes, so not really any power. Right, looks like we're going... Nope, still nothing. Still nothing. Need that little bit of power, man. Yeah, I'm in. The fuck? Well, it's done that to me loads of times now. Yeah, I'm in for a buy. Just dropped that in my Discord. Gotta be quick. Gotta be ready. Gotta be watching like me. Just holding. I'm just holding. I can't even move the break even yet. Need to get to like 250 first. Basically a 1 to 2 that I'm going for today. So we need this to be a 40 pip stop loss. Just add a contract to it.
Order fill.
Make it to 250. Well, that's 240. That'll do. Oh, I feel so rough this week, man. I'm still not fully 100. The weather in the UK has been terrible. So I almost tapped into TP1. And now it's just melting back down. Yeah, it's melting down pretty hard. So I'm telling you about them tight spreads. You need them razor sharp or zero even. And just let that shit play. Don't get scared. Don't get emotional. Just let it run. I'm so used to this now. Bit of a slow start today, not gonna lie. Price is a little bit everywhere. I knew that by looking anyway. It was really choppy and consolidating, so it's not really a nice trend going on, but still, it's Tuesday. I didn't trade yesterday. I still feel rough, but we need to make some money, right? As soon as I'm at 250, I can move to break even, but before then, yeah, I'm not feeling it. So that's TP1 hit. Almost. I need to get that 250 really, so move the TP up a little bit. That's basically, now I can move to break even. Okay, so shit's coming back down. I'm at break even.
Order
Yeah, I'm at
filled.
break even. So I hit TP1, go stopped at a break even. Okay. Alright, it's coming down pretty heavy. Coming
Order
back in.
filled.
And I'm targeting the bottom. Yeah, it's coming down fucking heavy with it now.
Order filled.
So pull this to 250. Little bitch. But do you know what I always say to people though? If the wicks gets left like this and it starts coming back down, the big ass bearish candle like that, I ain't even thinking about it getting in. And I could initially hit my 2 TPs now, but that would be asking for a lot. Even if I just hit that TP1, it'd be a bag almost. So yeah, I'm gonna put my TP now, my stop loss I should say. Trailer this, so that's 5.
Order
So that's
filled.
the 5.